Introducing the Neato BotVac Connected line of smart, powerful, and connected robot vacuums. Neato's laser smart mapping and navigation system with real-time object detection continuously scans your home and methodically cleans every room, cleaning around furniture and objects. Neato robots even navigate well in the dark and get under beds and furniture too, where dirt and dust hide. Unlike other robot vacuums that bounce around the room in a random style, Neato robot vacuums use smart path planning to clean in a back and forth pattern to deliver an intelligent, methodical clean. It's efficient too, finishing the job up to 4 times faster than other bots. Neato also automatically avoids stairs using drop sensors. When it comes to floors, Neato robots drive over your different floor surfaces with ease, automatically adjusting for optimal performance. And corners are no match for Neato, because unlike round bots, Neato's unique D shape allows it to clean deep into corners. When bigger messes happen, Neato knows what it takes to tackle them. With one of the largest dirt bin and biggest blower on the market, it can pick up larger debris as easily as it picks up pet hair. And since it's all powered by lithium-ion batteries, larger jobs are no problem for your Neato robot. Neato BotVac cleans, automatically moving from room to room. Then, if Neato is running low on power, it just goes back to the charge base to recharge, then returns to where it left off to finish the job, until the entire level of your home is cleaned. But most importantly, you get the power and convenience in the palm of your hand by using the Neato app. Start, stop, and receive notifications wherever you are. It's easy. Just schedule cleanings every day or on a schedule that works for you, and view your cleaning stats to better manage your robot. Use the Neato app to clean from anywhere at any time. Smart, powerful, connected.
Toner Robot Vacuum Cleaner. Its low profile allows it to clean under furniture with ease, meaning you don't have to. With its dual rotating brushes and superior suction, it makes keeping your home clean that much easier. Its wide array of sensors means that it can automatically avoid all obstacles in its path. And its edge detection technology prevents it from falling off high surfaces. It features additional modes such as edge cleaning mode, timed cleaning mode, and small room mode. And once it has finished cleaning, it will automatically return to its dock and charge. It's simple, straightforward, and easy to use. So why wait? Get yours today.